Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Yamaha TTR125 with electric start. This 4-stroke youth dirt bike just arrived in beautiful condition. Green sticker, 4-stroke, easy to ride. It's got the hand guards. Come on by. Make your Yamaha TTR 125 dreams come true. Just $29.99. This bike is no finance. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.